Wow, I have so much stuff to get done. I hope no one saw that. That was gross. I better get to class. God, this is so boring. I wonder what was going on with that cough earlier. Yeah, okay, cough. That was pretty bad. Did anyone see that? This could be something serious. Let's see, types of flu? Heavy coughing with a bacterial rash? Oh god, that's a rash. Man, I must really be sick. Coughing up blood. What could I possibly have? It's cancer. I definitely have cancer. It's over. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. This is it. I'm only gonna have a week to live. I'm not ready to die. I'm not ready to die. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm gonna die.
It's seasonal allergies. Take one a day, you'll be fine.
Oh.
In today's society, we have so many resources at our fingertips. We are too quick to assume and too lazy to put time and effort into digging deeper to find out the truth. Many of us click on the first thing that appears on Google and believe it to be fact, when in reality, it can be far from the truth. Make sure to take time to seek proper and correct information to answer the questions that you are asking.